Toyota might have just started a fight Suzuki never expected. For years, the Suzuki Jimny has ruled the compact off-road world, a tiny truck with huge trail skills. But now Toyota may be cooking up something totally different, a small SUV packing the muscle of a much bigger machine and the smarts of a modern hybrid. And if these new numbers are real, this thing could flip the compact off-road market upside down. Picture a smaller, lighter Toyota running the same iForce Max hybrid setup found in the brand's biggest trucks. A 2.4-liter turbo 4 paired with an electric motor and battery, cranking out a wild 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's not just strong for a small SUV, that's serious power by any measure. But horsepower might not even be the best part. This possible new model could also bring impressive fuel economy, real towing muscle, and the tough, dependable engineering Toyota is known for everywhere on Earth. Suddenly, the Jimny may be facing a rival nobody saw coming. So what exactly is Toyota building here? How much power are we really talking about? And could this thing genuinely dethrone Suzuki's legendary little off-roader? Before we get into the engine, the fuel numbers, and the off-road tech, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Because if you love powerful SUVs, off-road beasts, and the newest car news first, you don't want to miss what Toyota might drop next. Now let's dig into the engine that's making this whole story so exciting. When you're tackling real terrain, horsepower alone doesn't win the fight. What separates a true off-roader from a soft SUV is how that power actually reaches the ground. And this is where the Mini Land Cruiser could really shine. Its full-time four-wheel drive system, working alongside center and rear locking differentials, could deliver serious grip and stability the moment the trail turns unpredictable. But things get even more interesting when you look at its off-road geometry. Toyota seems to have built this little machine around angles made for punishment. A steep 32-degree approach angle, a 25-degree breakover angle, and a 22-degree departure angle mean this SUV could crawl over rocks, climb brutal inclines, and cross rough trails without constantly scraping its belly. In short, this isn't just a small SUV playing dress-up as an off-roader. Its whole shape is built to give it a real edge once the pavement ends. And if you think this sounds like a machine only built for hardcore adventurers, here's the twist. Toyota's goal isn't just another wilderness-only rig. It's a compact SUV that can switch effortlessly between rugged trail duty and daily city life. That's what makes this concept so exciting. Yes, it could go head-to-head with the Suzuki Jimny and the Ford Bronco Sport once the road disappears. But it could also feel completely at home stuck in weekday traffic. Its small footprint, sharp steering, and nimble handling could make squeezing through busy streets and tight parking spots easy, while the tough hardware underneath just waits patiently for the weekend. One minute you're threading through downtown gridlock, the next you're grinding up a dirt trail far from civilization. That kind of dual personality could be one of its biggest selling points. Toyota also clearly understands that today's buyers want more than raw capability. Inside, the Mini Land Cruiser could feature a tech-forward cabin that keeps you connected without overwhelming you. A smart, intuitive infotainment system could put navigation, entertainment, and live traffic right at your fingertips, so your focus stays locked on the road or the trail ahead. And even with its rugged personality, comfort isn't forgotten. Supportive seats, adjustable settings, and a more refined cabin could make long hauls genuinely enjoyable, whether you're deep in the backcountry or just grinding through your daily commute. Now here's the question everyone's really asking. What's this thing going to cost? According to insider sources cited by Best Car, the starting price could land somewhere in the low $20,000 range. Though once you factor in trims, options, and dealer markups, real-world pricing could realistically climb between $30,000 and $40,000. To put that in perspective, look at the Toyota 4Runner, already a serious off-road machine starting around $40,000 and easily climbing past $50,000 with higher trims. That means Toyota could slot this smaller model right underneath the 4Runner, delivering genuine off-road hardware at a friendlier price point. Then there's the Suzuki Jimny, the tiny off-road legend with a massive cult following thanks to its small size, rugged build, and shockingly capable trail performance. In markets like Australia, where it's sold officially, the Jimny sits in a much more affordable price bracket. But here's the catch for American fans: the Jimny isn't officially sold in the United States, forcing enthusiasts toward pricey gray market import routes. And that gap is exactly where Toyota could strike gold. If the Mini Land Cruiser can combine real off-road ability, everyday livability, modern tech, and an aggressive price tag, it could turn into something much bigger than just another small SUV. It could ignite an entirely new battle in the off-road segment. Getting an actual Suzuki Jimny onto American soil is its own nightmare. Since it isn't officially sold here, imported units can balloon in cost, often landing near $45,000 or more once you add import fees and modifications. And that's precisely where Toyota smells opportunity. Instead of just racing to the bottom on price, Toyota is playing a smarter game, studying exactly what buyers crave and then engineering vehicles to attack those exact gaps. It's almost like Toyota's been quietly sharpening a new weapon while everyone else stayed focused on each other. The brand knows buyers today want more than practicality. They want personality, capability, cutting-edge tech, and something that actually feels different from the crowd. And that's what makes this mini Land Cruiser concept so fascinating. Toyota appears to be taking everything people love about the full-size Land Cruiser and squeezing it into a smaller, more attainable package built for a totally different kind of buyer. Visually, it's impossible to ignore what they're going for. The design pulls hard from classic Land Cruiser DNA, but shrinks that legendary formula into a compact, modern shape. The result looks tough without feeling dated, blending old-school proportions with sharp, modern details. Its upright stance, bold lines, and rugged profile scream adventure, while sharper styling touches add a surprisingly upscale edge. This is a vehicle that could look just as natural outside a trendy city cafe as it would parked at the base of a remote mountain trail. Move to the front, and that Land Cruiser DNA hits even harder. The bold grille instantly demands attention, tying it directly to Toyota's legendary off-road bloodline. But the grille is just the opening act. Muscular fender flares, squared-off mirrors, and a tall, confident body combine toughness with a surprising touch of class, making it look ready for anything. Toyota clearly isn't chasing a delicate or futuristic look here. Instead, everything about the design screams strength, simplicity, and pure confidence. Even the bodywork earns its keep. Those sculpted surfaces aren't just for show, they're designed to manage airflow, cut drag, and boost stability at higher speeds. That means the same rig tearing up rocky trails could also cruise the highway smooth and composed. Whether you're heading toward adventure or just grinding through the morning commute, the whole experience is built to feel effortless. And here's another area where Toyota could really win people over: customization. Buyers might get a huge range of options to make their mini Land Cruiser their own. From bold exterior colors and unique interior finishes to roof racks, extra lighting, and off-road gear. That means two people could buy the exact same base SUV and end up with two completely different machines, one built for hardcore trail life, another styled for pure urban swagger. That kind of individuality is something most compact SUVs simply can't offer. But the real personality of this thing might shine brightest once you step inside. Open the door and you're met with a cabin built for function over flash, with design touches that pay tribute to classic Land Cruiser icons like the F-J25. Instead of drowning every function in digital menus, the cabin could lean on simple physical knobs, switches, and dials you can actually feel with gloves on. And surprisingly, skipping a giant touchscreen might end up being one of its greatest strengths. For drivers bouncing over rocks and mud, simple physical controls beat fumbling with a glowing screen every time. It's a mindset that fits perfectly with the rugged spirit Toyota seems to be chasing here, a vehicle where every single piece has a purpose and nothing distracts from the ride. That philosophy carries through everywhere, keeping your focus on the adventure instead of drowning you in unnecessary complexity. But don't mistake that for cutting corners on comfort, because it doesn't. The mini Land Cruiser could offer a surprisingly upscale cabin with supportive leather seats, sculpted contours, and multiple adjustment settings built to keep everyone comfortable. Whether you're crawling through the city or clocking hours on the highway after a long day exploring, a genuinely comfortable seat changes everything. And Toyota clearly understands how to balance ruggedness with real refinement. Safety is another box Toyota isn't likely to skip. The mini Land Cruiser is expected to come loaded with advanced driver assistance tech built to keep you sharp and protected behind the wheel. Built-in navigation could also take the guesswork out of unfamiliar roads. And paired with a modern, connected infotainment system, this SUV becomes far more than an off-road toy. It becomes a genuine daily companion. Storage is another spot where this compact machine could genuinely surprise people. Despite its smaller footprint, Toyota could use every inch of interior space wisely, building smart compartments and flexible storage that swallows groceries, luggage, and camping gear with ease. And if the seating layout is done right, the cabin could comfortably fit up to 5 people without ever feeling cramped. That combo would make the mini Land Cruiser just as useful for weekend trail runs as it is for family road trips, grocery runs, and daily errands. Now here's the biggest question left hanging. How capable will this compact Land Cruiser actually be once the road ends completely? Toyota has spent decades building machines that survive some of the harshest terrain on the planet, but this smaller cousin still has something to prove. Can a shrunk-down version deliver the same trail confidence people expect from the full-size Land Cruiser name? Specs on paper can only tell you so much. Real-world testing will ultimately reveal how it handles thick mud, steep climbs, loose rock, and deep sand. But one thing is certain: Toyota carries decades of Land Cruiser engineering behind this little SUV, and that gives it an incredibly strong foundation to build on. Then there's the question almost everyone keeps asking: just how expensive could this actually get? Given the Land Cruiser name's premium reputation and Toyota's engineering pedigree, it's easy to imagine this compact off-roader climbing surprisingly high once top trims and extras are added. It might end up pricier than a Suzuki Jimny, but Toyota could easily argue you're paying for far more than badges and looks. You're paying for real engineering, proven durability, long-term reliability, and decades of Land Cruiser legacy squeezed into a smaller shell. In other words, that premium price tag might actually become part of the appeal rather than a turnoff. Of course, cramming this much off-road capability into a compact body means Toyota will have to make some trade-offs. Interior space could take a hit, since packing serious four-wheel drive hardware, tough suspension components, and rugged gear into a small footprint naturally eats into passenger and cargo room. And there's another trade-off that could split opinions: technology. Most modern SUVs keep chasing bigger screens and more digital controls, but the Mini Land Cruiser's rugged mindset could push Toyota the opposite direction. By favoring physical buttons and real simplicity, Toyota risks disappointing buyers who expect every new car to feel like a rolling smartphone. But for true off-road diehards, that simplicity could end up being a massive selling point instead. At its core, the Mini Land Cruiser seems built around one single mission: giving drivers the confidence to leave the pavement behind without a second thought. A tough suspension setup, capable drivetrain, and rugged build could let it handle everything from sandy dunes and muddy paths to steep, rocky mountain climbs. This isn't just a tiny SUV borrowing a famous badge for clout. It's shaping up to be a genuinely capable machine built to survive unpredictable conditions while still working perfectly fine for everyday life. And maybe most importantly, Toyota's rock-solid reputation for reliability gives this little SUV a serious edge. When you're hundreds of miles from the nearest town, trusting your vehicle matters more than flashy gimmicks ever could. Whether you're chasing a remote weekend escape or just commuting to work every single morning, Toyota's long history of durability could make this compact off-roader a machine you can genuinely rely on for years to come. As the SUV and crossover world keeps chasing that adventure-ready look, more brands are scrambling to cash in on the growing demand for rugged, go-anywhere vehicles. But almost nobody carries the same history in this space as Toyota. The Land Cruiser name has practically become shorthand for toughness, exploration, and pure capability. And if Toyota can successfully shrink those qualities into a smaller, more affordable package, the Mini Land Cruiser could easily become one of the most talked-about compact off-roaders of its generation. That legendary Land Cruiser heritage sets massive expectations, but Toyota isn't just riding on a famous name here. This Mini Land Cruiser could bring that legendary off-road DNA into a smaller, sharper, more modern shell. And when you line it up against the Suzuki Jimny, the rivalry gets even juicier. The Jimny's tiny size, lightweight body, short wheelbase, and serious trail chops make it a beast on tight off-road routes. But its cramped cabin and bouncy ride leave plenty of room for improvement. And that's exactly where Toyota could strike, delivering more power, more comfort, more modern tech, and more everyday usability without losing an ounce of rugged attitude. But Suzuki isn't the only name Toyota needs to worry about here. The Ford Bronco Sport is charging into this fight too, bringing its own mix of adventure-ready styling and off-road capability. If you want to see exactly how the Mini Land Cruiser stacks up against the Bronco Sport, and whether Toyota can actually dethrone the Jimny, smash that subscribe button and stick around, because this rivalry is just getting started.